show y'all what I got growing in my garden, everything that I have. So let me flip this camera around real quick. All right, we over here at my garden bed. We got right here some collard greens. This is 6 plants of collard greens. These right here are cabbages. That's a cabbage. Cabbage. I don't know if that little guy is gonna make it. In between that, we got some green beans coming in. Green bean. That's a lima bean. Behind me, it's a pot of strawberries. I have another pot also. If you followed, I'll do an update on that other one one of the first planting videos I did. I transplanted some strawberries in there. Another cabbage. 2 cucumbers. These are cucumbers. That is a lima bean also. This whole row right here, all onion. My little marigold plant, apparently they keep bugs away. I'm not sure if that's true or not. We got a jalapeno here. We got a tiny little stock of asparagus. It takes about 2 years for an asparagus to do anything, so I'm not holding my breath on that one. Tomatoes. 3 tomato plants. We got bell peppers, banana pepper. I don't really know about those banana peppers. They're looking kind of strongy. But my potato rack, I moved it because I didn't think it got enough sunlight during the day. It was up against the house, but I put it out more towards the yard. So we got our sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, more sweet potatoes. Come around. These 5 plants right here in this row are okra. Started them from seed. Never grew okra, but we're gonna see how it goes. Left a bit of a gap right in here because we got melons growing here and here. So those are cantaloupes. Was gonna try to grow watermelon, but I had some cantaloupe seed laying around and I was like, hell, let's try it. And then we got our peach tree over here. Probably in a couple of days I'll put up a pruning video because all these peaches on these little tiny limbs like this, these little tiny limbs right here ain't gonna make it. And some of these hanging on at the bottom of these bigger limbs, they're gonna weigh down the plant. So hey, you gotta lose some to get better quality fruit instead of, you know, having a whole bunch of tiny ones. So in a couple days, you don't want a bunch of leaves all over your tree. I've been there, done that. So that's just a quick walk around on my garden stuff. In a couple weeks, we got a little butterfly over here eating on my collard greens. I'm gonna have to do something about that. But that's all I got for y'all today. Bikes and Gardens out. Like and subscribe. Thanks.